In this lecture, we will continue to further talk about our supplementary content. And after creating the bridge between the micro context and the macro context, we directly talk about another question again about the hot water, which is again reflected in our H1. And we talk about the beneficial, that is the lemmatization of the word benefit. And then we ask the what question with a certain type of predicate, that is mix. That means mixing with the hot water or mixing something with the hot water. Can it more beneficial or not? So here we talk about three things: garlic, lemon, and the honey. That means the author talk about these in the article and also give the ingredients and tell their benefits or harms and tell why. Again, here you can see we put the link to our root. This is the second time that we link to the root context. In the article, first time the internal link passed the page rank, but the second time it did not pass the page rank, but yes, it can make some of the relevant signal to the linked article. Then we go for the best time and drink hot water, and we also use the terms like morning, after, before, and these type of specific verbs. Then we go for the Boolean question: should you drink hot water daily? Drink hot water daily is the most important context, as you know, in our topical map. After that, we ask what kind of water can you drink hot. Here we cover the different water types like Arctic water, tap water, and other types of water. Then we go for the what reason people prefer drinking hot water. This context is also connected one more time with the demography, because it talk about in what condition or in what factors or in what place people preferences or personalization. So all our contextual vector is created from these queries. As you see, why do Asians drink hot water? And is hot water good for weight loss? Warm water is good for health. We use these specific synonym and antonym good and bad in our article content. And here, boiled water is the type of water, or in the context of hot water, it is the most important type. We also cover this specific perspective in the article. So basically we take all these combinations and then we create the contextual vector. So in the next lecture, we will focus on the article methodology further, and then we see one content brief, and after that we look directly the articles.